this is Frederick with Mosaic Blues. We are going to simulate color palettes on an Opus Pixellatum mosaic model. And we're using the spreadsheet version of our model. Here I'm using OpenOffice, but you can use any other spreadsheet you like. Now this process is very interesting because it allows you to play with different palettes of colors before you actually build your mosaic. Back to our model here. So the first thing we do is we are going to find and replace here, and we are going to ask the program to find all the cells that contain the value 1 in it. So we type 1 here and we go to find all, and it lights up all the cells with a 1 in it. Now we go to the background color function here and we click on black, so it fills up with black all the cells that contain 1. And now we are going to look for all the cells with a 2 in it, find all. We go again to background color and we choose a dark gray. Here we look for the 3s, find all. Background color we choose a lighter gray. We go for the 4s, find all, and even lighter gray. And now we go for the 5s. There are quite a few of the 5s, and we go for even lighter gray. And here we are going to leave the 6 white. And so here is our first mosaic simulated in grayscale. Next thing, we are going to use a totally different set of colors. So there we go. We are going to use a sepia kind of palette to generate a new simulation. So again we go to find and replace, and we select all the cells with a 1 in it. Here they are highlighted, and we're going to change their colors for black. Okay. Now we look for all the 2s, find all, and we are going to get them in a dark brown here. The 2, that's good. Now all the 3s, and we change them for a maybe dark maroon here. Alright. The 4s, and we change here for, let's say, this. Now the 5s, find all, and this one here, and that's the 6s. The 6s we're going to use a very light gold. And there we are. So here is our last simulation in the sepia tones. So the nice thing about this is that if you don't like a color, say you want to add a little bit of greenish to this, and say, well, I want to put a bit of green, I don't know, maybe let's say see what it would like with a dark green instead of the black. So we go again to the Find and Replace, and we look for all the ones here. Here they are. Now we go to background color, and we look for a very dark green, like this here. And this is where we are. Oh well, I don't really like it. Let's go back. Let's go revert to the black. And so there we go. Again, Find and Replace. Look for all the ones. And we are going to change the color back to black. And there we are. Back to our sepia tones simulation. So you can do this with lots of different colors. Here I'm playing with greens, what I call fall colors, need a blue and orange. So it's lots of fun. Just play with it. Once you're done, well, build your mosaic from that. This is Frederick with Mosaic Blues, and have fun with your mosaics.